Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a post-holiday detox smoothie recipe which can be enjoyed as a morning detox drink in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. To make a detox smoothie, into my blender jar I'm adding in 1/4 cup water, 1 medium-sized cucumber chopped, 1 cup pineapple chopped. To make this nutrient dense and fiber rich, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon organic moringa powder. Instead of organic moringa powder, you can use a handful of palak leaves, but make sure that the palak leaves are organic and garden fresh, or you can use a handful of fresh moringa leaves. Any green leafy vegetables of your choice which is in season and is organic is ideal to use in this smoothie. I have already shared a detailed video on the health benefits of moringa. Please do check it out. And I've also shared many videos using moringa leaves and moringa powder. Please do check it out to understand more. Next, I'm adding in a small piece of fresh ginger root. I'm grating the ginger and adding in. Ginger helps with digestion. Now if you don't have fresh ginger root at hand, you can use 1/3 teaspoon of dry ginger powder, which is also known as chukku podi in Malayalam. Into this I am squeezing in half a lemon. And I'm going to blend this on high speed until everything is nicely mixed and combined. Pour the detox smoothie into a serving glass. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon roasted sesame seeds. Sesame seeds will help to balance your hormones. It will give a subtle crunch, fiber, and some good healthy fats. Now instead of sesame seeds, you can use any roasted nuts or seeds of your choice. A good source of healthy fats is a must to help with the assimilation of fat-soluble vitamins in the smoothie. And my super healthy detox smoothie is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy detox smoothie and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.